Pack 37, this is Ghost Rider 2-1. Passing Geronimo.
Ghost Rider 2-1, Wolfpack 37, roger. Copy, Geronimo. Roger, 3 minutes. 53. Got it, 50 feet.
After clear.
Roger, coming up.
Sikorsky Boeing Future Vertical Lift, Assault and Attack variants. With high commonality, superior speed and high hot hover 6K 95 performance, exceptional hover control and low speed maneuverability, expeditionary range and endurance, and increased payload capability. The Sikorsky Boeing Future Vertical Lift is a scalable design based on proven X2 technology, featuring fly-by-wire flight controls, advanced rigid rotor system, lift offset coaxial rotor, advanced drive system, active vibration control, foldable rotor system, pusher prop with clutch, with active rudders and elevators, an all-composite fuselage, crew of 4 with a cabin for 12 combat-equipped troops, with weapons employment in all modes of flight, and expanded and enhanced medevac capacity for 8 litters. Sikorsky Boeing Future Vertical Lift will provide superior speed, range, and payload performance. In addition to these improvements, FVL development, sustainment, training costs, and schedule are minimized through extensive commonality across assault and attack variants, including engines, drive system, propulsor, empennage and flight controls, crew station, mission equipment package, vehicle management systems, fuel system, secondary systems, training and lifecycle support, analysis and validation, with variant-specific airframe and mission equipment. FVL will provide significantly increased mission flexibility, superior speed, and high hot 6K 95 performance, exceptional hover control, and low-speed maneuverability to meet the demands of high-threat complex environments. With extended mission range and endurance, pusher prop enabled level body rapid acceleration and deceleration for improved survivability and maneuverability. Less relative rotor downwash for debarking and embarking of troops. Dramatically reduced acoustic signature. And improved payload capacity. Foldable rotor system for strategic and expeditionary deployment. And an aerial refueling capability via KC-130J and next-generation Air Force tankers, as well as significantly reduced development, acquisition, training, and lifecycle costs. Sikorsky Boeing Future Vertical Lift, the right design for long-range, high-speed, superior hover performance and unmatched maneuverability. The way forward.